Hello from Brazil. My name is Roger and I'm a friend of Vraja's and used to work with her back in San Luis Obispo, California, 2007 to 2010 or so, and now I'm here with her in Brazil working on starting a new business. So I'd like to tell you a little bit about it. So this is the street we are on. Very beautiful city called Pindamonhangaba in the state of Sao Paulo. And this used to be a children's language school, so that's the reason for the decoration. And I just wanted to give you a quick tour, kind of let you know the vibe right now. Everything is a little bit in flux right now. We're just working on creating something from scratch. So I've been here for about 2 weeks and helping to build mostly some furniture so far out of pallets and some pretty cool wallpaper in the house. And this is the kitchen area, and everything's just very simple right now. Little office kind of area here, and continue back, show you the back of the house real quick. It's a bathroom. This is kind of Vraja's room and will also be a library, but she's out of town right now. Here's another room, and then the whole project is basically centered around the practice of bhakti yoga. So this is our temple room. We do yoga, meditation, singing, kirtan together. Here's the altar, and try to make this video quick, so I'll come to the back yard and show you more. And just a quick update, Vraja's out of town now visiting her family because they all just came down with COVID. So some family, her dad especially, is kind of hit hard by it. So I'm going to send some prayers his way. That'd be great. We've got this backyard area, nice little garden, and washing machine, sink, another little bathroom back here. Just my style, very simple, very functional. So I've been very happy here, that's for sure. And our first big project is to get the kitchen going. We want to start a bakery, basically, and kind of a cafe. So we've got this back building here, some more shelves out of pallets, and this is a room where me and another guy are staying. Shanti, the other guy, he's helping more with a lot of the business stuff, and this will hopefully be like a stove and an oven and a table and another sink, and we want to start making bread and cookies and then kind of have a cafe and then keep going on from there. So that's the plan for now, and that's the purpose of the GoFundMe. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and ask. And thank you for watching. Bye.